So today we are going to present a YouTube video on the fourth part of our Women's Health series, with the focus being on the pelvic floor. So the pelvic floor muscles, and we spoke about those in the first couple of videos of initiation and activation, and then the pelvic floor organs, and in case of any kind of a dysfunction, what is the havoc that it can create. We've linked these YouTube videos to blogs to give you a better insight and to read a little bit more about each condition. Completing from hysterectomy, we're going on to another condition today called the diastasis recti. The rectus abdominis are these long abdominal muscles, our six-pack muscles that give us that definition in the tummy or along the abdominal space, which are connected from the lower part of the pelvis going all the way up to the chest bone. And these form two struts alongside of our belly button. And in case of any kind of abdominal work, these are the ones that are super active. So they help with a flexion or a side flexion, and even in the rotations. They're also very active in controlling our extension or backward movements. This muscle is connected to the other abdominal muscles in layers of fascia, or what is known as the abdominal fascia or the transversalis fascia in the abdomen. And any kind of a defect in that fascia causes a split and an opening or a gapping, and that is known as the diastasis recti. The diastasis recti is known to occur in almost all pregnancies, but in some cases it does not come back, it does not close, the gap stays open, and it can allow the abdominal contents to sort of pop out. Now this condition requires you to really work with the abdominal space, because we need these abdominal muscles, especially postpartum, to come back into their length and tone. So watch us on our next workout curated especially for people with diastasis recti. Please make sure you've had this checked with a specialist before you dive straight into it. And if you've liked it, do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and see you around for a lot many more videos. We're just going to start our thought process with our key elements and creating this alignment. So we want to make sure that the ribs aren't flared. We're going to start with a really low connection to the abdominal space with an exercise called the abdominal prep. So we're going to fold the hands behind the head and give our head and neck good support. And I'm going to get her to curl through the ribs, so drawing the ribs in and under and lifting up with the head and neck nice and heavy in the hands, and then lowering it down. Now what we really want to watch for is the belly wanting to pop out. So we don't want to dome, so we have to watch the space and don't allow for the belly to pop out like that. We're going to think of drawing in and closing it through the belt muscle, bringing the ribs towards the belly button and maintaining the headlights in a nice neutral position. To this exercise of abdominal prep, we also want to add the breath. So allowing for the tissue which is tightened up here to sort of also open out and create that space between the ribs and the abdomen for lengthening of the fascial tissue, as well as drawing in to connect into the muscle. And now from here, you're going to see how we progress going into different exercises and really watching for that doming, the posture, as well as the breath.